Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know if you all are like me or not, but sometimes when my life is in chaos, writing a good list helps to settle me down, almost center me. Not everyone runs on list. However, if you're struggling to make sense of your goals, a list could save you time, energy, and the need to come up with excuses for when the thing that needs to happen, well, doesn't. Some of the lists are just plain fun, some are serious, and some are just items that you need to know. But a word of warning, once you get started, you may not be able to stop. In all seriousness, I hope these lists help you to reduce the feelings of overwhelmness and to help you feel more in control of your life. Without further ado, here are some list ideas to make when life gets really overwhelming. First list, what are your goals for the coming year? So when it comes to setting goals for the year, setting the right goals is half the battle. Keep in mind, you don't have to start yearly goals in January, although it is most common. The great thing about setting a yearly goal is it gives you time to think back on your plan, have time to revise it, as well as keep yourself on track. Number 2, self-care ideas. Being wives and moms, sometimes we get so caught up caring for everyone else that we forget we need a little TLC too. There's an old saying that goes, you can't pour into someone else's cup if your cup is half empty. Women, wives, and moms are superheroes. We keep our families and our communities running, but sometimes it's good to sit back and take a little time for us. The most common, and in my opinion, the most fun type of list to make is a to-do list. Get everything out of your head and onto paper. You can organize it on there. You won't forget things. You can even make a list for a brain dump. So you can just take random ideas out of your head and jot them on the notebook. You will be getting yourself so organized, and it's such a kickstart to really turn your life the way you want it to go. Another fun and creative list to make is to make a list of what bills you need to pay and what dates that those bills are due. You can map out which bills need to be paid with which check or which source of money, and that way you will have an accurate snapshot of what your truly free money is. That way you'll know how much you can save and how much to spend. Another absolutely fun list on this list is to make a feel-good playlist. All of those musics that brightens your mood when you're feeling down, or maybe even those tunes that cause you to get up and dance a little bit. Make a list of that. That way you will know the next time you're down exactly what songs to play that instantly boost your mood. Make a list about what you are grateful for this week or this month. Had a feeling when something important unexpectedly goes wrong and you get that sinking feeling in your stomach, or when you feel sorry for yourself and honestly just want to go back to bed and just go to sleep again. Maybe the most simple and certainly one of the most effective ways to turn one of those days or weeks or even months into something more positive and better, in my experience, is to turn your focus to a spirit of gratitude. Another list idea for you, what are some of the accomplishments that you are proud of? This really ties back to having a spirit of gratitude, but sometimes it's great to list those items or things or actions that we are really super proud of. Sometimes the moment may leave and whatever we did may fade from our memory. But if you keep it right there, you feel proud of yourself, which is going to further boost your self-esteem. Make a list of things to declutter. If you want to get really fancy, you can make a list of things to throw out, to keep, and a list of items to give away. Learning how to declutter your home and, as a result, decluttering your life doesn't need to be as painful as some make it out to be. And the benefits are numerous. We're talking about you have less to clean, less to organize, less stress, and less debt because a lot of those items that you declutter can be resold, and the savings means you can either lower those credit card statements or just save what you make. Make a list of the books that you want to read this year or even in your lifetime. Reading a book is usually at the top of most of our lists for items we want to accomplish in a year, and this will definitely help to give you a jump start on that. Make a list of things that make you happy. This could be little things like nail polish or hair ties, or it could be big things like your spirituality or your children or the marriage that you're in. Either way, make that list and refer to it often to brighten your mood. Create your travel bucket list. Whether it's staying in an overwater villa in the Maldives or maybe even going on an hot air balloon around Portland, what's on your travel bucket list? Unfortunately, a lot of people wait until they're sick or they retire or have some sort of life-altering event to really think about all of the amazing destinations that they want to see before they die. Let's be real, there's no such thing as the right moment. Make a list, start saving, and start marking those things off your travel bucket list now. Make a list of your happiest childhood memories. Not only the memories, but also the memories of the people, the places, or things that you did. Really put some thought into it. Some of these items may be things that you have previously forgotten. Here's one that's pretty self-explanatory, but make a list of all of your phone numbers and addresses or other pertinent information that you have stored in your cell phone. We rely so much on our cell phone now, but what happens if we break it or lose it and we don't have it backed up? If one of those things happens and you have this list, you will be so grateful that you took the time to create it now. Make a list of some amazing restaurants and cafes, both in your neighborhood, your community, and in different states that you want to try. And last but not least, the next list that you should make on this epic list is to make an epic list of your all-time favorite songs. They can be songs from your wedding, or maybe songs that remind you of your childhood, maybe a few tunes that came out during college. Whatever it is, make a good list. Put it all together on a playlist, and what do you entitle it? My Life in Music. Alrighty guys, we've come to the part of the video I hate, the absolute end. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please comment down below and let me know the type of list that you like to make the most. I love making to-do lists, and I like making a list to focus on my goals, but let me know yours. Also let me know, do you guys make lists, or is this a new concept for you? Don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Also subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye bye.